Hello, good evening. So I'm going to do a tutorial tonight on something that we eat, we Jamaicans love to eat, and it might seem a little funny to anybody who is not Jamaican, but it's a delicacy and we actually like it. You know, our palates are a little bit different. This is kidney, and I've already cut up the kidney. Kidney comes and it has a lot of fat in it, so you have to cut out the fat, and I washed it off with vinegar and cold water. And I'm going to go ahead and put it to marinate with these seasonings: ground black pepper, Maggi all-purpose seasoning, a few of these allspices, pimento seeds. I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of browning, and I'm going to use about a tablespoon of the Goya adobo. And I'm also going to put an onion that I've chopped up fine, a little piece of hot Scotch bonnet pepper, so a scallion, I think it was 2 scallions that I chopped up small, sprig of thyme, and some garlic. And that's what I'm going to use to marinate it. And once it's been marinated, I'll come back and I'll show you how to cook the kidney. I'm going to marinate it for about an hour or so. So when I come back, I'll show you. So stay tuned. So hi, I'm back again. The kidney has been marinating for well over an hour. And I'm going to go ahead and in about a 1/4 cup of oil, I'm going to go ahead and put the kidney in. Be careful. And once you put it in, you just stir it. Just stir the kidney up. And then you just seal the pot, turn down the stove, and kind of let it slow steam down until it starts to fry again. You do that 1 time, and then you put water, seal the pot, and let it cook for about 35 minutes before you add in the vegetables. Well, not vegetables, but the natural seasonings. And I'll come back and show you that process. Stay tuned. Okay, so the kidney's been cooking for about 35 minutes, and it's tender, very, very tender already. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to add in the natural seasonings and let it cook down for another maybe like 5 to 10 minutes, and then it'll be ready. And here I have, in this bowl, 1 plum tomato cut up. I have some sweet pepper, the red and the orange. I have 1 clove of garlic that I've diced up. I have 2 different kinds of onions in here. I have the sweet Vidalia onion and the regular onion. And I have 2 sprigs of scallion that I've gone ahead and also cut up. And a little piece of Scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm going to just add this now into the kidney, making sure to get all of it out. Sorry for that. And I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to fold this into the kidney. Just like so, very easily. And because I want a nice gravy, I'm going to add some water to the kidney. So I want a lot of gravy to eat, because with this I'll be eating food, as we call it, ground provision. So it will be boiled green banana and dumplings. But you can also eat this with white rice. It tastes very good. And so I'm going to go ahead and let that come to a boil and cook down the natural seasonings. And I'm also going to, because I didn't add in a lot of seasoning in the beginning, I'm going to add 1 chicken bouillon into the kidney. And just stir that around. And at this point you can turn the fire back up a little bit, because I've had it turned down while the kidney was kind of like slow cooking to get tender. Because kidney, you want it to be tender, so you have to give it time to cook. So that's why I said cooking time of about 35 minutes, I'm sorry. And then once you put the natural seasonings back inside, then you go ahead and you put in you put it back on the fire with the fire turned up for about 10 minutes. And I'm also going to add into it a 1/2 cup of tomato ketchup. And I'm recording, and this is one-handed, so I don't want to walk away from the pot. So I'm going to go ahead and add in the half a cup of ketchup, and I'm going to just cover the pot back and let it finish cooking, and then I'll come back and show you how it looks once it's finished cooked. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm back. This is the final video, well, the final part of the video. And it's finished cooking, and there's a nice, lovely gravy. Doesn't that look really lovely? And it tastes really great. And as I said, I'm going to eat it with some ground provisions, which is boiled banana and dumpling. And you can eat it with rice. My son likes it with rice. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed another tutorial. And I hope to see you next time. Have a really wonderful holiday until we see each other again. Bye-bye.